Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to decorate this beautiful cake. Christmas is coming soon, so we're going to make the Christmas tree. Sprinkle some of the colors on the top of it. Write Merry Christmas and look, your beautiful cake is ready. Here we are going to remove the green whipped cream and make this beautiful design around the cake like we're doing here. Similarly, we are using this red color of cream and further we are going to add some designs. After this, we're going to decorate the top portion now. We are spreading these different colors and look, it's done now. We're going to make the Christmas tree, so remove the green cream and look, it's done now. Put it at the center and look how pretty this cake is looking. First, we are going to remove the cream and put it around the cake like this. Similarly, you can add more details like we are using this red, white and green cream, and we are going to add more details like this. You can decorate it further like we are doing here. You can use different nozzles and remove the cream. It will make this beautiful design. Write Merry Christmas and it's done. Going to give a beautiful texture to the cake like we're doing here using this knife. Now spread this white cream and look, we're going to give this fluid design to the cake and look, it's done. Similarly, we can make a Christmas tree like we're doing here. We are making this snowman. You can also make a Christmas tree in place of this using this strawberry and white whipped cream. And look, we are making the Christmas tree as well on the top of this strawberry and put it around like we're doing here. Add more details and look, your beautiful cake decoration is ready. We're going to use different colors like green, red and white, and these all are the colors of Christmas Day. So spread all of them like we're doing here and sprinkle some around the cake as well. Now we're going to use this nozzle and look, write Merry Christmas and it's ready. Going to decorate this cake, so make it even first. Now we are going to give it texture like we are doing here. After this, you can remove the cream and we are going to merge both of them together and you will get this beautiful flower pattern on the top of it. And look at these two different colors. It's looking very beautiful. After this, we're making the leaves as well and look, decorate it further and it's done. We're going to make the texture on the top of the cake. Similarly, we're going to add more layers around the cake. We are making this beautiful grass like this. Similarly, you can add flowers. We're going to make a beautiful grass line like this and look, it's ready. Similarly, we're going to add more details on the top of the cake. So we're going to put the sponge and make the mountains and cover them fully using this beautiful cake. We're also making the snow using this white cream. Put bunny and look, your cake decoration is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.